Hi, welcome back to my channel. I hope you will have enjoyed this video. Tell me what you see. It's a damaged mouse pad. We always throw away such waste mouse pad. Let's see how I fix this damaged mouse pad. Pulling on the soft cloth of the mouse pad will separate it from the damaged rubber underneath. I slowly took it apart. See, I removed the soft cloth very easily. Now I will clean the cloth thoroughly and dry it in the sun. I took the cloth and dried it in the sun. The white color board you see is a thin soft plastic. You can also use thick paper or plastic Rasheen paper instead. Basically, you can use anything you have around. It is glue commonly used in shoes. There are different types of adhesives that you can collect. Apply the glue very carefully to the cloth and take care not to tangle the cloth. Allow the fabric to dry in light air for 5 to 10 minutes once the glue is applied. Now apply the glue on the object on which the cloth will be coated in the same manner. After applying the glue, let it dry for 5 to 10 minutes in light air. After 5 to 10 minutes, place something between the cloth and the soft board. Try doing it like I do in the video. Remove the insert slowly and stick the glued surfaces together well. Keep doing this until the end. Connect the two objects by pressing carefully with the palm of his hand or something else. By the way, my mouse pad is done. Now cut around the pad nicely with something sharp. Wow! The mouse pad is now usable again. In this way you can also recycle your wasted mouse pad at home. I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to press like button and share to your friends, and you can tell me more about it by comment. Stay tuned by subscribing to my channel and press the bell button to get the next video.